SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB Gaming Keyboard Review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out the exact same gaming keyboard for yourself, make sure to check out the links below this video. So let's start off by looking at the box for this Apex 3 keyboard. So far, I'm quite excited about this keyboard because I read many good reviews online that this is one of the best gaming keyboards for a budget that's available on Amazon in 2023. I've had a few gaming keyboards in the past, but I've been quite disappointed with. But this keyboard looks like it's going to be one of the best ones I've had so far yet. I didn't want to get one that was in the $250 range because it's a little too expensive and I'm not that much of a good gamer. I'm just kind of getting into gaming. So I decided to get this SteelSeries Apex 3 gaming keyboard to test it out for myself to see if I like it. So far, I'm quite impressed with the build quality of this keyboard. The keys, when pressing them down, feel nice. They're very smooth to the touch. They're whisper quiet, and I like that it's a wired keyboard. I like a wired keyboard as opposed to a Bluetooth because you don't need to fiddle around with the batteries, and it'll last forever until the actual keyboard dies itself. I really don't move my keyboard around, so there's no reason for it to be wireless in the first place. And I also wanted to have something that had nice RGB lighting on it, which this one does. So this is the wrist rest that comes with the keyboard. It's quite nice because it's magnetic, so it'll snap right on to the bottom of the keyboard itself. And so far, as I mentioned, I really like the feel and quality of the keyboard. The resistance you get when pressing down the keys is perfect. The keys are very smooth to the touch, very responsive, have a good weight to them, and they're not very noisy at all. And they have very, very nice RGB lighting. I'll show that to you in a moment here. So this is what the keyboard looks like when it's unwrapped and doesn't have the lighting on because it's not plugged in yet. It has a little scroll wheel at the top here for dedicated multimedia volume. And it has a full-size keyboard with everything you need. It has got little hinges here to hold up the keyboard at the back. So you flip those up there and you're good to go. And it has some cable management there in the back for the wired cable. So now we get to look at the RGB lighting on this keyboard, which is fantastic. I love it so much. As I mentioned, this is a water resistant keyboard. It's very smooth, has a nice magnetic wrist rest at the bottom there. It has all the dedicated keyboards and has a beautiful RGB lighting behind this keyboard. I really like how it feels to the touch. It's very smooth, responsive, very nice and quiet, and it does everything I need in a gaming keyboard. So far, I'm highly impressed with the quality of this gaming keyboard by SteelSeries. I would give this a keyboard a 4.8 out of 5 stars because I really love the quality of this gaming keyboard by SteelSeries. It actually has over 8,000 ratings on Amazon currently, and I highly recommend that you check out this whisper quiet gaming SteelSeries Apex 3 keyboard for yourself. If you'd like to get a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get at the best possible price.